Today is Halloween. I felt like it would be fun to vlog my whole day, and if I'm successful, then I'll put all my footage together and post it. And I'm about to head to Lexi and JJ's school because they're in like a little Halloween parade at their school. So I'm gonna go see them in that, and then we'll just see where the day takes us from there. Bye, you guys. See you later. Lex, say hi to the vlog. Okay, good. Got it. So that was stop number 1 at their school. I got to film a little bit of it. If you couldn't tell, JJ was a dinosaur of some kind. I want to say like Velociraptor from Jurassic Park, and Lexi was a nerd. So now I'm actually gonna go see my cousin Jordan. I helped her choreograph a dance for a musical or a production or something that she's doing for her church. And then I'm gonna head back here to the kids' school to help out with Alexis's Halloween party. So that should be fun. Got my coffee. I am set. Oh! Hi! This is cousin Jordan. Hi! And Kiele. Where are you? Hi! Hi! Be who you want to be, girl! And if you oh gosh, you're filming me! Oh my god! I forgot! I'm supposed to! No! Is she gonna throw? No! Okay, I'm just gonna let her throw up at you. Don't do it. Okay, so... Yeah, ooh, nice. Ooh, I like that! Okay. Alright, so the next stop for today is Lexi and JJ's school. This is Lexi's classroom. I'm visiting. I'm helping out with her Halloween party. So they're doing like crafts or something. So I'm here with Lexis. Her Halloween party went well. It was fun. So let's do this. I'm gonna hand it off to Alexis.
Hi guys. So it's been a while, but did you guys like my try not to sing challenge?
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm opening and carving a pumpkin. I'm just gonna take the pumpkin guts out.
Ooh. Ew, what cracked in there?
Yeah, there's a lot of seeds.
We can cook them. Yes. Save the seeds.
Okay.
Okay, Dad's putting on part of his costume.
Do I need a lot?
As much as you want. He's a punk rocker.
Nerd.
What's 10 times 10?
It's 100.
Nice. Let's give them a little tour, shall we? So, enter the door. We've got some candy.
Yeah.
Let's bring it over here.
Yeah.
A pumpkin. Trick or treat station. Love it.
We have all the glow sticks and stuff, and then the bags
Ooh.
and stuff right there.
Ooh.
Okay, this is gonna be where all the snacks and stuff are. This is the chocolate fountain right here. We have some strawberries in here, some pretzels, some marshmallows. And over here we have all the snacks, all the finger foods.
Ah! Just kidding. Out here we have some exotic creatures. Oh! Do they bite? I don't think so. This is me. I'm a ringmaster with Bree.
Up there in the tower.
She's getting ready. We're waiting on more people to show up.
Yeah, it's only us right now.
Party. It's only us right now, but that's okay. If you guys have ever seen The Greatest Showman, that's what we were going for. So you'll see. And then I'll show everyone's full outfit. I'm Phillip Carlyle. Bree is gonna be PT Barnum, because she's the boss. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Bye.
This is my partner.
Oh yeah.
Cute. Cute. This is the mine. Where's your gloves? Oh, there it is. Yes, there it is. Bethany is getting her nose put on. She's a bunny, not a cat. Yes. Good boy. This is Stin. She's a pander.
We learned it. I don't know. We learned it at the
Okay.
Yes. Hey, Daddy. Punk rocker Galen. Nice. My mom wants to show the vlog her updated version of her costume. Cute, Mom. Hi, Auntie. Ooh, this is Auntie Barbie. Ooh, guys. Laker. Hey, baby. Hey, oh my gosh, you guys are awesome. Come on, bud. Hey.
Is that recording?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I haven't even put on my tie yet. Oh, it's your vlog?
It's my vlog.
Hi, Asia's vlog. Zaddy shark.
Ew. Yo, that sucker's big. I think it's about this big. What's up, guys? I think I just got a new subscriber. Is that right? Awesome. This is Cameron. What's your name? Jackson. Jackson, you're gonna follow me, right? Yeah. You're gonna subscribe? Sounds good, guys. Be safe. Stay safe. Stay in school. Stay in school. You. Oh, you gotta get us, you gotta get us. Yes! Ready to go get your candy?
Yeah!
Blake, are you gonna fill up your whole bucket with candy? Yeah, let me see it.
Wait, where's
Trick or treat. I'm here.
Oh, cool, dude.
Yes, Leah. Hi. Is this your son?
Tyler, that's my son. That's my slobbery son.
Come here, slobbery son. Oh my. What in the? Treat! Treat! Beautiful princess! Love it! Ooh, try it. I keep saying trick or treat. Oh, I know. And that's not my mom. Oh, yeah! Dude, that is amazing.
Okay, kids.
So. It is 8:58 and I haven't seen one kid in about 30 minutes. Still have candy left. Come and get them. Alright guys, I'm home now. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, you guys are awesome. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next vlog.
Know what you're going to say and say it. You have an audience that has a 5-second span. And if you don't know what you're saying, they don't care.
You also have the ability to edit your video. Cut it out.
Cut it out.